Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete blank page from PDF or how you can delete PDF page from PDF. So there is a many way you can delete the page from PDF. Yeah, if you have software like Adobe Acrobat, you may if you have the paid software you can use tools like if you go in tools, go to the edit PDF, and from there you can delete the page from PDF. So maybe if you don't have past software or many people has different software and they don't have option in PDF, that software that unable to delete page. So there is a one option which is used everyone and it is very easy. Okay, so first we have to go in Chrome browser, just open the Google. Okay, and now you can find the PDF file from your computer. And if I okay, and just drag this PDF file to your browser, so it will be open in next tab. Okay, it will be open and you can see there is a 16 page. So you can check page from here, and if you want to delete any page from here or blank page. Okay, in this PDF I don't have any blank page, but just assume that we have 60 page. Okay, and we have one page which is number 46. It's just we assume that 46 number is a blank page. I want to delete it. So there is a trick, just go to the print. Okay, so 60 is a huge number, but many people, normal people has minimum 10 to 20 page or minimum 4 to 5 page. So just go to the, now you have to click save as a PDF. Go to the custom in page, and here you have to enter, like if you have 10 page and if you have to delete page which number like 9, just click on 8 1 to 8, and want to skip 9, just tick dot, just enter comma and just enter 10. So page will be delete, 9 page will be delete. So 1 to 8 it will be save, and 10, so 9 will be skip. Okay, so if you want to delete 5 number, just click 1 to 4 and 6 to 10. So you have skipped 5 number, so just save it. Then your page will be saved in your computer as a new document, and your blank page will be deleted. Okay, just save with another name. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for